Welcome. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make sure only your close friends can see your email address on Facebook. This quick privacy tweak keeps your contact details safe while still allowing the people closest to you to reach out when needed. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change your settings. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. That's your menu. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap to expand it, then select Settings. This will take you into your account controls. Now, under the section labeled Account Center, tap on Personal Details. Here's where your profile's personal information, like phone numbers and email addresses, is stored. Inside Personal Details, tap Contact Info, and then tap on your email address. This is where you decide who can actually see it on Facebook. You'll see an option that says Facebook account. Go ahead and tap that. Then choose Change Visibility on Facebook. A list of visibility options will appear, such as Public, Friends, Only Me, and a few others. From here, select Close Friends. This ensures your email address is visible only to people you've marked as close friends on your account. Once you select that option, the change saves automatically. You can exit back to your profile and your new privacy settings will be in effect. And that's it. You've now made your email address visible only to your close friends. It's a simple step that goes a long way to protect your personal information and keep your Facebook experience safe and comfortable. Remember, Facebook updates its settings from time to time, so it's always a good idea to review your privacy options every few months and adjust them to fit your comfort level. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might want a bit more online privacy too.